Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you meet eligibility. Check your current grade, deadlines, and any fee or waiver. Once verified, gather transcripts, relevant assignments, and instructor feedback so you can reference specifics. Next, access the F-Table Grade Upgrade portal or obtain the official form, log in with your school credentials, and open the correct semester record. Make sure to note submission windows and required fields before you proceed, so you don't waste time later. You now complete the core application. Enter course code, original failing grade, and precise grade you request, then describe why this change is justified. Once done, attach supporting evidence, graded work, rubrics, email approvals, or remediation records to prove competency. Next, choose the reviewer or instructor and set the preferred effective date. Make sure to double-check file formats and file sizes so attachments upload correctly, since missing evidence is the most common rejection cause. You finish by carefully reviewing every field and attachment, then submit and record the confirmation ID. Once submitted, monitor the review status and timelines. If progress stalls, contact the reviewer politely with your ID and concise questions. If your request is denied, immediately request written feedback, correct the identified issues, such as missing evidence or misinterpreted work, and resubmit within the appeal window. A key troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail, try a single PDF under size limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.